Hello, guys. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper on Saturday, November the 4th, 2023. No, it's actually the additional of Friday, November the 3rd, 2023. Well, actually, it's today, Sunday. But in the weekend edition, we have no additional, no extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Okay. Alright. This one. Number 7397. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits. That's a lot. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10. But it's indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. My first strategy. Well, my first question is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. Here, single box. Always a 1, already filled in. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, cannot see any quadra boxes here. So, my next strategy is to recognize some shapes from figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah. Looking for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. First shape is the L shape. When you see the L shape upside down here, for this, in this case, upside down, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, the L shape, that's the first shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay, then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this, you will get the S. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. And this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But it cannot be a 1 because we have a 1 here. So this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. So 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Alright. Do we have more S constructions or Z constructions? Nope. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Here we have the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 box left in this Z or S construction for number 5. Then Let me see. 3. Well. Okay, let me fill this. These 2 boxes are left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there. Can be 5. We have a double 5 there. Yeah, definitely 1. Then. Let me see. This box can be 2. Can be 1. So 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Now we have a 5 here. This box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 4. Alright. This box is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 2. But it can be 2 anymore. It should be a 1 then. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Well. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 2 and a 4. But we already have a 2 here. So it can be 2 anymore. Should be a 4. Is connected with that box. Should be so 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Should be here. This box can be 1. This box can be 1. Wait, these 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Well, this box can be 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. 3 and 4. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes around the 2 can be a 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area. Should be here. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. And then these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Should be here. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this cross area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area. Oh, wait. For numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. Then. These 2 boxes can be 5. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. So the other pair in this W area shape for the numbers 3 and 2. 3 and 2. is connected with that box 3 and a 2. So 1 box left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. Alright, this box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 3 and a 2, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 2. Alright. And now. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be 5. Yeah. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left on the 2 in this area. Should be here. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Whoa. We solve it again. Told you need to be faster than 50 minutes. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.